So, have you ever gotten coal for Christmas?
Interestingly enough, I have.
No, come on.
No, I have.
Wow, we're gonna have to talk about that.
Yeah, I mean, I know, like people always say, well, that's like Charles Dickens. Well, believe it or not, I had that done to me once because I was a little bugger when I was a kid.
Wow. Here's the colors we're working with. And look, I want to hear more about this in a minute. So, the soap is coal for Christmas. So, if you know anybody naughty, it's available on the website as we speak. Fruitsofaloon.com. I love those sparkles.
Well, anyway, I'll just do a quick story. When I was younger, I was always trying to, mess about at Christmas and find presents in the house because I knew they were hid somewhere. When I suddenly realised Father Christmas, Santa Claus didn't exist,
Oh, no.
and because of that, I got up one Christmas day and looking for my presents and not there.
No.
So I'm bawling and crying, and my dad says, "Oh
How
no."
old were you?
Probably about 6. My dad
that's
said,
terrible.
no, you've been naughty this year, and Father Christmas has left you a sock in there. And I went in, and there was a sock hung up, and in there was a tangerine and a piece of coal. He said, that's all he's left you. And I bawled my eyes out. And then my dad later on said, right, have you learnt your lesson now? You've got to wait for Christmas. But yeah, it really was a weird feeling. But yeah, I mean,
that's almost like
it's almost.
That's a bit too much. That's really sad.
I mean, I'm going back, probably in 1970, 71. So
It was a common theme in the 70s. I know we used to get threatened about you're going to get coal for Christmas, but only my older brother really got teased about it. Not much. He's only a year older than me. He really got teased about it, and I felt bad for him.
Yeah, but I was a little shit.
Yeah.
Pardon my French. I'm a person that used to undo Easter eggs and eat the chocolate and put the wrapping back in the box when I found where they were hidden.
Gosh. So we're using dirty fragrance oil. I thought that was fitting. And this is like a magical fragrance oil that does some weird things, as you're going to see. But basically it's described as spearmint leaves and orange peel surrounded by basil and lavender petals on a base of sandalwood, oak moss, and tonka beans and white musk. Tonka trucks. What's wrong with me?
Tonka trucks on the
That
brain.
smells good to you.
That's going to be a man's soap, isn't it?
No, it's well, a man could use it.
Sounds like it's going to be like
smell.
earthy and musky,
It's very pretty. I mean, I think everybody likes it, to be honest. It's a Lush dupe. I think I already said that, but hey.
Anyway, people, it's another year gone by. Can you believe it? Eh? And
Not quite. Almost.
getting near to Christmas again, and
it's November,
what a year, eh?
It's November 20th. We're narrating this video the day it actually comes out on YouTube. You're not going to believe what this fragrance does to the color of the soap. So bizarre that I had to make the soap twice to make sure I wasn't going crazy.
Well, I don't remember you doing it as per usual, but
as a result of that, there are 2 versions of this soap available, and I think there are 6 of them each left right now because they were available for pre-order, I think. Yes. And some of them have already gone out. So if you know somebody who deserves coal for Christmas, but in a cute, funny, joking way, this would be a really nice gift. One of the bars is a short top, and one is a piped top with coal on it.
It's important to fluctuate. There's only so many designs you can do for either, so it's easy to fluctuate between them.
It only happened because the color morph made me think, what in the world? I have to try this again. So, but you'll see what happens to the color. Very interesting. I should have read the reviews. It's in the reviews, and I didn't even notice.
Anyway, just a quick one for you. What are you guys and girls doing for Christmas? Do you like Christmas? Do you wish it wasn't here, or do you look forward to it? Do you need to go over the top with it? Be interested to know how you plan your Christmases. Of course, it's going to be different this year with the supply problem, so they're telling you to get your stuff in early.
You know what? I ordered from Amazon very early. Like literally my last parcel's coming today, and I'm good. But it's all about the little kids now. I have a granddaughter, 3 great, I have a grandniece and 2, no, not a grand, is that how you say it? A great niece?
Yeah.
And 2 great nephews. And so that's fun. That brings the fun back. And
So yeah, so it's about them. I mean, that's how it should be. Adults should really, I would say, should get one decent present each, and the rest goes on the kids.
Yeah.
You
Except
know.
my brother's getting a special treat this year because he helped us with the front yard. Oh Lord, we had so much construction going on, and he came in after and sprinkled red clover seeds everywhere, and just put a fountain out there, and just made it look so beautiful, and made us so happy that we're getting him a special treat.
Yeah, he's worked hard. You know, we helped him do it, of course, but yeah,
He's
he
a
needed doing.
landscaper. He loves doing that stuff, and he's so good at it. This is
Great
our
vision.
piping, and we've got some black streaks in it, of course. It's coal after. Look at the phone look at my phone in the video. Anyway, so whatever piping tip that is, we're using it.
You see, for me, that'd look great without the top as well, because of the pattern in the top
Well,
of
there
it.
is I do have that soap without the top on it. There's 2 versions on the website. You get to choose low top or pipe top. And like I said, I think there's 6 left. I only make 10 of each soap. So you could call them limited edition.
Yeah.
I rarely make the same soap twice. There's a couple I do, but
So anyway, if you're running out of ideas for Christmas, consider a couple of these, because
very cute.
I think every perfect gift for Christmas, definitely.
I made my own mix of sparkles here. Some black ones, because, coal. And of course, we have to have silver on there. It's Christmas.
I love
Not
the
everybody
glittery
celebrates Christmas, though, so I'd also like to hear from everybody, what you do on the holidays. And look at that coal. Isn't that pretty?
bit. Looks real, eh?
Oh, I just got soap batter on one of them. That's no good.
That reminds me of the old Coke. There was coal and Coke. I think Coke was the cheaper version, which was rugged and had bits of shiny bits in it, and the other stuff was completely shiny and they had a different value when you had
really?
coal fires.
Oh, neat.
And we used to have coal fires. The coal man used to come round and drop sacks off down an hole in the ground into the basement. There was a metal grate on it.
Now look at the outside of the soap. What color is that?
It looks like it's lilac and
Isn't that strange?
lilac on the
I
outside.
thought I was losing my mind. So I went to the website, and sure enough, in the reviews, beautiful fragrance, but it turns so purple. So here we have it. This is before the whole soap turns purple. I think I put a picture at the end of the whole purpleness.
But the thing is, it's like if you try to achieve that effect, you won't be able to do it, but you've done it by accident. Right?
Yeah.
And it's a nice effect, isn't
Now
it?
I know. If I want the perfect purple, I'll use that fragrance. Who needs mica when you have a fragrance like that?
And that's turned out really nice. The colours are all complementary.
I love a good
Nice
drop
colours.
swirl. Ooh, last cut.
And there's a sample bar.
Yeah. Let's see if I show a picture of the short top soap that's already been purpleized.
Lovely
So
patterns.
these are purple now, I will remind you. There they are, see?
Wow, yeah.
Isn't that interesting? Anyway, if you haven't yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are very happy we're nearing 2,000 subscribers, and we appreciate it.
Thanks for your support, and we'll see you on the next one, people.
See you next Saturday.
Bye, bye, bye.